All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays in the 4 states, and we are starting in Girard with Devin Miller celebrating birthday number 9. Happy birthday, Devin.
Chloe Storm turning 15 years old this year. Chloe is in Jasper, Missouri. Happy birthday.
And we've got Alexia Davis turning 15 over in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday.
And in Nevada, Shane Hirschman celebrating the big 4-0 today. There he is with a little throwback pic.
And we're going to head west to Fredonia, where we find Danny Letterman celebrating birthday number 65. Danny, happy birthday.
All right, and Kathleen Ortiz celebrating birthday number 80 this year. Looking great there, Kathleen, in Carthage.
And last but not least, in Parsons, we're celebrating Valerie Scott's birthday today. Valerie, a very happy birthday to you as well. Now, of course, this list was relatively short. We want it longer. Tanya can tell you how to make that happen.
All you have to do is send us your birthdays. You can always drop them by the station during business hours or mail them to us. But you can also get them to us really fast by email. Send all the information and the picture to birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're at our website, why don't you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? You get some awesome deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.